In this video, I want to talk about this, and this is the Grampa's weeder. And I've seen this all over the internet. It's super popular right now, and basically it grabs a weed and pulls it up right by the root. And I don't really like using chemicals in my yard, so I figured I'd try it out. Because as you see, I have a bunch of weeds. So let me show you how this works. It's cool that it has the instructions right on it. So you center this over the weed, you press it down with your foot, and then you lean it, and it pivots and pulls the weed right up. So let's find the center here. Just push down and pivot. And there's the weed with the roots. And what's nice about this is you don't have to bend down and take all the weeds out with your hand. You can just go around with this and pull them out. And I got a bunch, so let's see how quick and easy it is. I'll set a timer for 5 minutes and I'll see how many weeds I can get. Starting now. Set timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, counting down.
Okay. Up. Okay, 5 minutes. It's easy, and no more bending over to get these weeds. It's pretty fun and satisfying. So, if you were interested, hope the video helped. Thanks for watching.